It's now all about the tips and toes in my Bougie Nails on a Budget series. The tips are BTArtbox Clear Coffin Full Coverage, and these are the two colors for this set. Modelones are very nice gel polishes, and I think you'll like these as much as I do. Let's just take some time to appreciate this green, shall we? Just look at it. Isn't it beautiful and rich? A green like this, I would wear for sure. I decided on these colors to mark that it's not quite the end of summer, at least not in my book. Maybe on the calendar, but I ain't ready for it to end. I noticed a black speck in the polish and removed it before continuing on. So this set will not get any embellishments. Lately, I've been into color combinations and freehand a little more. Oh, and I'm sure you guys noticed the tiredness in my voice from working, but it's all good. I love doing this series. And if the pinky nail looks a little warped, I was pointing out that some polish ran off onto the nail stand. The second coat of this polish makes it look much more lavish, doesn't it? What a pretty green. So at first I was seeing this as gray, but there seems to be a touch of purple. Even better to complement the green shade, right? What do you think? As I start this design, it'll be a very easy geometric. Now, when I do these, sometimes I hear people say, yeah, right, beginner friendly, easy. All I do is an outline of the shape first, just draw some straight lines. And then I take the polish brush from the bottle, wipe it clear of most of the polish, then barely touch the outline and pull the color from the line to fill in the shape. And this prevents any puckering or bulking of the gel polish. I'll let you see as I do the gray. This is another set I didn't plan and just went in placing the colors randomly. I wanted to make sure to tie in the gray nail and use some of the silver shimmer gel, which I'll also place accent lines across the patterns of the other nails. When I do this, I go over each line a few times to flatten out any bulk because that shimmer gel has a little bit of a thicker consistency. And I actually think any random pattern would look beautiful, especially with this color combination. And yes, we started doing our toes this season. For anyone new, the practice foot came from Amazon and matches my hand model Miko perfectly. You'll see in the review. I top everything with Model 1's No Wipe Glossy Top Coat. And I love them. And I hope you do too. If you did, do me a favor and hit that like button so I'll know. And if you'd like to see more of my DIY press-on nails designs, here's a link to my playlist. Consider subscribing to my channel and becoming part of this NailTube family. Thank you so much for being here today, and I can't wait to see you in the next one when I'll be doing a special acrylic nail design. See you then. Much love.